Hi everyone. Today we will introduce about the Bing AI image creator. You have to search on the Google Bing AI image creator. You will see the website like image creator from Microsoft Designer Bing. You have to open this link. After the link opening, you will see the website like this. Now you have to write some characters there, like create a 3D illustration of an animated character of handsome boy. You can copy this prompt from my description. After the process, you will see the character like this. After the creating, you can see that beautiful 3D animated character, which you can use by for your social media. The face can be also changed with the remark of face swap AI generator. Let's change few letters and see how it will look in the Instagram. After the writing Instagram, I have it created. Then you can see AI image generator like this. These are beautiful created by the AI. You have only 15 coin and you can use daily. If you change the character, you can write the girl, cute girl, you will see these type of the images. If you create, you can see more and more characters of that AI. Thank you for watching my video. You will see few more updates regarding the AI or graphic videos. You can subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Thank you.